Hello everyone, welcome. I am Mr. Daily Bias and I am officially launching this channel, the MDB Crypto Academy. Here we are going to be discussing and teaching about cryptocurrency. We are going to talk about the blockchain technology. We are going to talk about cryptography. We are also going to be teaching about the evolution of money. We are going to talk entirely about the decentralization of money by cryptocurrency, the central system of money by the banks. We are going to be discussing broadly for everyone to understand cryptocurrency. We are going to be breaking it down step by step from a beginner's level to a pro level and to an investor level. I know a lot of people must have heard of words like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Solana, crypto wallet, crypto exchanges, but they don't actually know the meaning of those words. I know we also have a lot of people who are interested. They wish to invest into cryptocurrency. They wish to buy crypto and own a crypto, but they don't know how to go about it. They don't know where to start from. They don't know how to navigate their way through. If you are among them, this channel is here to solve your problems. We are actually going to be discussing. You are going to be taking questions. We are going to be giving out coins you can invest in. We are going to be giving exchanges where you can buy and own a cryptocurrency. How can you create an account on an exchange? How can you verify an account on an exchange? How can you purchase your first cryptocurrency on an exchange? We are also going to be doing giveaway to our best students, of course, in cryptocurrencies. And there's a lot for us to discuss on this channel. And my wish is, at the end of every lecture, at the end of my teaching about cryptocurrency, every follower of mine should be able to own a cryptocurrency, to be able, they should be able to download, verify an account and purchase their first cryptocurrency. They should be able to incorporate cryptocurrency into their day-to-day life activities, because cryptocurrency is here to stay. Just like in the history of internet, no one believed internet was going to be this big, but today we cannot do without the internet. The cryptocurrency is also here to stay, because the cryptocurrency has come to revolutionize the financial system, the fiat system which we are actually based on. The cryptocurrency has come with decentralization of monetary system, and there's no way we can ignore that. So we are going to be discussing. Wheresoever you have doubt, you have questions, do well to drop it at my comment section, because I'm always reading, and I will definitely reply to your questions in my subsequent videos. You should also have it in mind that I am not a financial expert. I am not here. The purpose of this channel is not to promise you riches. It's not to give you financial advice. The purpose of this channel is to teach everyone to be able to navigate through the crypto industry, to teach everyone to be able to buy and own a cryptocurrency. The purpose of this channel is not for money making. I give you the knowledge, you take the knowledge, and you decide what you want to do with the knowledge. I am an investor. I invest into cryptocurrency. I trade cryptocurrency on a daily basis. That is my decision. So when I give you this knowledge, the knowledge I have acquired for 7 good years, when I give you this information, you will decide what you want to do with that information. If you want to monetize that information, that's your decision. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, that is your decision. But I will not advise anybody to put money and gain double, because cryptocurrency is not a gambling scheme. So you are welcome to this channel. Do where to subscribe. You turn on the notification button. Ask your questions wheresoever you are lacking, and let's enjoy the ride. You're welcome. Thank you.